is the black. Go around with the black.
Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shade, and today we will be doing the telepathy challenge. No, I'm not doing it by myself, of course. We're going to have two teams. So our next contestant is Miss Russia. Is we have one or we have somebody else? Think we have somebody else? Who else? Who else? You see nobody at job? You whoa! Oh, Margie has jumped in to join us and she'll be on my team, so it will be us versus them. But I hear for nobody, so you know, Papa Bako, Paris girl.
No,
what? Alright, what if I excitement, guys? So what we'll be having is we'll be having two teams, one over here and one over here, and then we have our coach, or should I say our referee. Colette is behind the scenes and she will be the one to place 3 same items on both sides, and then team A versus team B has to choose the same item. At the end we will see which team has the most telepathic powers. Guys, I didn't want it to be easy, so me and Anika is not on the same team because I don't know, think alike, you know, do everything alike. Hi Roger. So guys, I'm going to be introducing our team members. So first we have team one in here. Phantom. Yeah. Okay. Team Phantom, please come center stage. Pull them in. Alright guys, so me and Margie, I don't know. Team Phantom versus the short stuff. We're very elegant over this side. You see we're up on the same height, so we'll mind up on the same
not the same height.
So our minds hopefully are on the same wavelength as well. Alright guys, so ready for begin? Who are we first? Who are your team captain?
Flipper pine.
Flipper pine? No, rock, paper, scissors.
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors. You good at that? Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, then shoot. Come, put your hand around us so you know. Rock, paper, scissors. Stop looking at my hand. Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh yeah. Ready, steady, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Shoot. I'm not shooting up.
Next time, yeah.
I mean, Una go first.
No, I'm not shooting.
Nah, I'm gonna go first.
We win. So we shoot. Yeah. I must do. Point at the item, and when I tell you to lift it up, you guys will lift it up.
No, point pound items. Alright. Lift it up.
The item that you guys have chosen.
You can't talking about as if not to each other.
Yeah, but when it comes to me,
first video I hear out.
Alright, so you guys can turn around.
Turn.
Yes. Alright, so you guys are good. You have 5 seconds to point at the item, and then when I tell you to reveal, no touching, no hands. Just
Where
point.
Margie I go pick now.
Okay? It's time to show your item. Alright guys, you can turn around and you have 5 seconds to decide on your item. And remember, no touching.
You point at it, but
ready?
You can reveal the item. You touch it first and everything is reversed like no.
Ready, Margie?
right.
This just represents pizza, not Domino's, right?
What you see is what you get.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh wait, yeah.
Pringles, yeah. Pringles. Pringles. Because we are team on
Why are we at the moment?
You know,
But I would buy the Domino's.
you.
But I think when you ask the Domino's, because they give me a hint.
no, I think that she does love pizza. Domino's, she prefer pizza.
Osha, next time.
Alright, guys, you can turn. 5 seconds. You can reveal the item.
Cheesy.
Alright, you can turn around.
What is black pepper? Cheesy.
Put on the food.
Okay. Alright. Marjorie better get this right. You ready? Oh, how soon? We must lift up?
Is that what you get as me?
Yeah. Yeah.
Over the edge.
Alright. You can turn around.
Hey!
5 seconds, no touching.
Hey, stop saying Mars code. You don't even look on the item then
You
yet.
don't need to look. Alright.
Fine.
Time to pick up.
No.
Yeah.
Go in, my girl.
Alright, you can show your items.
Oh, you will not see the girl.
You can turn around.
Imagine me in a long way to a quick thing with that part. Yeah. And be honest. Alright. Many people have know what
We want to
plan.
see full ID.
No communicating.
Ready? Tell me one thing about Kalik. I'm confident. Tell me. Time yet?
Yes.
Lift it up.
Lift it up. Run body, them in a bar body.
Drink with it, sure, grandma.
Let's turn around. Alright, you have 5 seconds to select the item. Alright, so you're gonna reveal after 2, 1, 2. Push it out the jelly too now. Okay. Hush. Alright, you guys can turn around.
I'm nervous.
No communicating.
Someone can't even talk to the people in Palabska.
About your nerves.
Guys, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Who you think are going so far? Team Shortstop or Team Phantom? Marcia, you choose already?
Alright, you guys can reveal your item.
I never say because me I say you never lift it up. Never say you lift it up. Come again. No.
What did I get? No, I see it. I want to pick up too.
Shady.
Guys, you can turn around. Alright, so let's see. Who will be the winner? choice.
Time up. Move them up. Move them up.
She love baby shoe.
At this speed I was picking about my
Come on. Come on.
She love green.
Now play.
Yeah, Louis. Not even another video. Ready? Turn around. Now we have got it. Alright. 3 shoes. Cinderella is back at it again. I don't know what I'm gonna pick. I'm nervous.
She nervous.
I wonder if. Alright, my dad's gonna come down on the cemetery. Ready?
Yes.
Raise them up.
Yes, you can raise them.
Hold fire!
We're leading now, guys.
And then I leave 3 2.
3, huh? Much wrong with it? Alright.
Because that's 2 rounds, each I will pick the same thing. Yeah, that's 3 2. Because that's 5, but it's a 5.
Ready? Yeah. Turn.
I think.
You are really
My
good.
first try. You could have a Smirnoff.
Oh, jeez. I bar you there?
I don't drink none of this stuff. I don't even like
It's not
this
what
one.
you will drink.
I know, but
I want your partner would pick.
alright, so this meeting shows up it still.
Alright, reveal.
Yeah, me know.
When in that
Lemon
I'm excited.
Lemon curd.
Come magic. Yeah, ready.
Alright, you guys can turn around. 5 seconds.
I really don't know where she that pick. I played C. Ready?
Show your item.
Who doesn't she know how to be tied?
So, let's see who will be the winner of this round. Will it be Team Phantom
Yeah!
or Team Shortstop? Come.
Turn around, turn around, turn around.
Ready? We can't touch now.
Yeah.
And last round, we can't find the man. Alright.
Ready?
Sure.
Yeah. Ready, Rachel?
Ready?
Look at something.
You can now reveal.
This one's spicy, so I'm saying. Spicy. You know me that thing about the ketchup first and then I said no.
Alright, guys, you can turn around.
Alright, quick thing, quick thing, quick thing, quick thing, quick thing. One minute now. Ready?
Yes. Never cheat.
How?
Never peep over the zone.
Alright guys, so far, with only 1 round remaining, Team Short Stuff is in the lead. While the other team, shall blow down the barrier. Team Phantom will be haunting us tonight as Team Short Stuff take home the victory. Guys, we have 1 more round. We're in the technological era. We have a laptop, phone, and a tablet. Laptop, phone, and a tablet. What will they choose? Let's go.
Which time was too excited.
Ready? Reveal.
Turn around.
Ready?
Show your item.
Martha! Alright guys, we don't need the barrier no more. There we have it guys. Who won?
Phantom.
What? Yeah, literally. in the world of ghosts, but in a real life human being, team short stuff, we pulled away with the victory.
Buff ups.
Guys, I hope this video was fun. Yeah, just call all of the words then, guys. We're moving straight ahead. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you see that when you are basically on the same height as someone, you are most likely to think the same thing. We have proven it just right before your eyes. Alright, so don't forget to like,
Comment.
Share
and subscribe.
Go on.